Blah blah boop boob. Dribbly dribbly droop. Dripply droop. Yeah. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. Bruh. I should manage my things. Yeah, wait. Is that it? I think it is. Yo, sup, my man? If we go to object mode, pressing tab. Oh yeah. What? What the? I keep on pressing. I keep on pressing shift. I don't know why I press shift. Oh man, I need this thickness going on. Just press shift and use. What the butch? The cheek. Oh, phew. Tap. Let's go. So I'm gonna do some more drooply droops, and I'll catch up to you guys in a minute, bro. I'm just gonna fast forward. Okay, now let's go to object mode. Sheesh, that's good. Let's go. We'll do some sculpting in a minute. Yep. Oh. He said this one's gonna be very. I would rather do that.
I need to change your thickness.
To probably 0.0100. Try that. Yeah. Cool. Now, I want to give this more detail, so just gotta. Man, that is just so. That's just so creative. Goodness. By the way, I'm pressing left click and then shift to select vertices. Yeah. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh yeah, EZ. I'm so dumb. I really hate this. I just took off proportional editing. Now, EZ. Oh, I figured it. Hell yeah, let's go. Man! Look here. Oh yeah. Professional editing always comes in handy. So now we can do some sculpting and yep. So we need to apply our modifiers, and by the way, if your modifiers are not in this order, that's why your icing probably will be spiky. So yeah, and also yeah. So apply your modifiers. I'll show you two ways. First is press this arrow, and then press apply, or as you can see there, it shows a hotkey, Control A. So just hit. Wait, was that Shift A or Control A? Control A. Yep. And nothing has changed with your donut, but okay. Now if we go to sculpting, and by the way, if you go to sculpting, your picture won't be there, but if you go to layout, it'll be still there. Oh, and by the way, I'll teach you some hotkeys again. Yeah, I know. To change the radius, you can go up here and change the radius, or you can just press F on your keyboard. And if you want to change the strength, you can do Shift F. You can see it's doing the icing pretty well. If you press Control on your keyboard, it will do the opposite. Oh, wait. Okay. But yeah, and if you press Shift, it will automatically smoothen it out. And I probably won't. Just play around. Oh yeah, and if we look back at our reference photo, you kind of see it's like thin. Like yeah, see, like it's thin here but thick here at the edges, but it's thin there. So we probably want to do that. I'll do that here. Oh, what? I'm not even in sculpting mode, sculpt mode. So we go here and press Control on your keyboard. Probably too much. Oh, the strength has to go down. So Shift F. So you'll just do that a bit, and you'll see it's gone inside a bit. Cool. Yep. So, and then if you press, I'm gonna teach you inflate. So it makes things more. It's basically the draw tool, except the my strength. Yeah. So you can inflate this part, and that's what we need to make our icing thick. But you'll see it's like it's not really helpful. Like it's really hard. You have to like move your mouse to make it inflate. So to do that, we can do this. You can go to. I'll show you two ways to do this. You can press N on your keyboard, and you can go to Tools, and it will come up with this. And then if you go to Stroke and change this to Airbrush, it'll do that. Or you can just go to shrug and press N again. And then if you see, it gets, if you hold on your mouse, it just gets bigger by itself. So yep. Wait. I gotta fix that. And then if you press deflate, it will actually deflate. So, gotta turn the thickness down. I'm a strength. So just do that all around this. And you probably want to change airbrush to space again. Okay. Now let's talk about other things. Another tool that people use that is common used is snake hook. It's also used in modeling faces, like a sculpture. Can do lots of things, or you can use the grab tool. So it's basically the snake hook tool, except I don't know what's the difference. And the smooth tool is a lot common. You can basically smoothen out your mesh. So it's basically the opposite of inflate. Now we want crease is when you want to go inside. So if you want to go inside, but we don't want that. If we select our item, okay. So donut. So wait. By the way, these cameras, when you look in your camera, and if you set this camera off, you won't see the mesh. Okay. And another thing that people use a lot is clay. No. I hate this. A layer. It makes a layer. Bruh. Oh, look at my trend, my guys. Oh, what's happening here? What the? Okay, that was a bit weird. So that was what was happening. Probably we need to deflate. Oh yeah, it's already deflated. Now inflate. Gotta turn that straight up. We need to make this mesh look like a real donut. And then if you press Control, it does the other way. And just make your mesh meshy.